Hey y'all, what's up? It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back in 2021 with another video. This is my skincare routine. I am taking this routine from 2020 and bringing it to 2021. So if you want to see how I achieve this skincare routine, then please keep on watching. Do not drink pop before you go to bed. So I'm going to show you how I do my 2020 skin routine, but I'm bringing it into 2021. So this is what I did to achieve my almost clear acne scars. What I like to do is I like to first start off by taking my lashes off. These gonna be my only ones, so I didn't bring any extra pairs to the hotel, so I have to make sure I take these off with care. Ooh, I can see my face is still beat, y'all. It's a little oily in certain places, like right here, up in here a little bit. This is basically, it looks oily, but that's the highlight. My nose is oily too, though. I'm about to take these Neutrogena wipes, y'all, and I like these wipes to take my makeup off. Some people use coconut oil. I just prefer Neutrogena wipes. It takes it all off. I'm gonna gently rub this off. It don't take much to rub this off. I'm gonna take off my earrings too, but maybe you see the other side. Okay, this is the real me, y'all. So y'all see this side versus from this side. So we have this. We have me. Get under there. And then sometimes the makeup is in my edges. So I be trying not to mess them up. I really don't be caring about that if it's in there. Alright, y'all, so this is me. I'm gonna show you what steps I take to wash my face. Let's get started. I brought me some paper towels. I do not dry my face off with a towel. I only use paper towels. I used to use towels back in the day, but sometimes those can hold bacteria. I have marks here and there, but it has tremendously cleared, y'all. I will show y'all a before of my face, 2019, 2018, and show y'all how my skin looked. It looks way better than before. I used to have like dark marks all right here. After I had my baby, it was like dark because I had something to do with high blood pressure, and it caused my skin to be like really dark. I would bust the bumps with my hands and it would leave marks. But my boyfriend, he got this thing for me. Well, he got it for himself, but I stole it, and it basically removes. Oh, he said this thing is a blemish remover. So I use this basically right here. If I have a bump or something like that, I'll take this, and he told me to squeeze it towards my face. I usually just try to scrape it, but you're supposed to squeeze it towards your face, and I just popped this, and it's not as dark as if I would have popped it. This before I use this, I go ahead and I take this bar of soap. It comes from Lulu Shop on Instagram, y'all, and I take the whole bar of soap. I don't take bits and pieces of it. I take the whole bar of soap, lather it up in my hand, and I basically massage this into my skin. So when I have makeup on, I usually use a spin brush to do this one time to get all of the makeup out of my skin. Just use my hands and massage until it's gone. I like to use a little bit of warm water, and we're gonna put it on our face first so that we can open up our pores. I also go ahead and take this soap again for the second time. For the second time, I go ahead and take this soap because the first time I use the soap is basically to remove any of the other residue that is on my face. This bar of soap is a lemon and turmeric bar of soap. I used to use their turmeric soap only that they have in this line, but I'm like, lemon and turmeric. Lemon does really good for anything that's dark because it's an acid, and then turmeric does too. So I'm like, dang, they got a lemon and turmeric bar. Let me try that. I think it's really good benefits that come from this soap. And y'all already know I still use my Kojic soap, but I like to use 2 soaps before I go in with any moisturizers or any other thing. That really helped me when I first started my skincare journey, y'all. Y'all know I was trying to find something. All my dads was like, try Kojic soap, try Kojic soap. I looked up Kojic soap on YouTube first to look at reviews, and they were saying that it did good for them. I ordered it and I started using it. I'm gonna show y'all my skincare journey and what happened when I had burnt my skin. So I only used to use Kojic soap, and then I used to use aloe vera. That's it. I didn't know that you need a moisturizer with it, and if I did, I just skipped over that part and just got the Kojic soap to start, you know, trying to clear some of my dark spots. But yeah, like I said, the Kojic soap was really like in weeks, oh no, in days. In days, you will see like almost a week, so maybe like 5-7 days into it, you would start to see your skin glow. Like my skin was glowing, it was trying to clear up, so I kept using it. Every time I kept using it, I kept adding things to my skincare routine. So one time I used the Kojic soap and it burned so bad, but you know, I kept going. Look, listen, if it burned, that means it's working. That's how I feel. But when I put the Kojic soap on, I had a bump on my, or something on my face, and then after I used the Kojic soap, I used peroxide on it. I don't know, I did something stupid, and then it made this big like black spot. So I was like, man, I added aloe vera to it, and then I used to use shea butter to moisturize with. And then after that, like maybe down the line, I kept adding stuff to make the process speed up and make it better. Nothing is on my face. My face is squeaky clean. I see a bump coming in. Annoying. It's okay. I'll pop these on the side. These will go down, but my skin is looking really good, y'all. This shit. That's my skin. Once these dark spots clear up, it's yes. I'm gonna use this. I want to get a little closer to this mirror. But I'm trying to see if, yeah. If I had some of the things, and yes, I do. What do you call those, whiteheads? I think that's what you call them. But yeah, I had a lot from right here. I always get them right here. All the stuff and the ingredients will be in the description bar below. You can go click the link to each of these products and look on their site to get ingredients that's on the soap. I don't know off the top of my head. All I know is the name of the soap and what they're supposed to do. So lemon and turmeric is supposed to lighten, as well as Kojic soap is supposed to lighten your skin as well. So yeah, this is Kojic soap. I use this the same way, but I actually let this sit on my face, the Kojic soap sit on my face for about 5 to 10 minutes. I usually use it when I'm in the tub or the shower, and I get out and then I use my other products. So this is the last soap that we're going to use to basically massage into our skin. That's it. So if you don't have a spin brush, massage this into your skin for about like maybe 1 to 2 minutes. So the longer you let this sit, I heard the more it helps. next thing and the last thing before I wash my face with water is this Shea and Sugar body buffer. It is exfoliating. It's a exfoliating serum, y'all, and it's a body buffer, but I use it on my face. I love the way it makes my face feels after this. Like, I feel like all the dead skin is gone. I feel like it made my face even softer. Like, I just love it. And it smells so good too. You don't have to do it so hard either. This is the key. Exfoliating is the key, because what it's going to do is it's going to shed the skin. It's going to shed those dead skins and make everything lighter. See how instantly that made my face feel so soft? It made my face glow a little bit. Like, it feels so good. So I would go ahead and I would exfoliate with the Peterthomas Roth. This is a peeling gel, so you basically use this and you peel off the dead skin. I'm actually going to use this just to show y'all how it is. So you just basically, not gonna wash my face again because that was going to be the last step, but you basically take this in your hand and you're going to roll this around till it starts peeling off all the dead skin. Keep exfoliating is going to make your scars and dark marks lighter. I don't know if y'all can see the stuff peeling off my skin in the mirror. I'm not sure if y'all can see it or not, but yeah, it's peeling off my skin. That's basically the dead skin cells that have been on my face. So I'm gonna wash this off, and that's the last step of me washing my face. The next step to prep my skin, it's gonna be flawless. Some more. Ooh, this feels so good. It feels so good. One of these cotton pads, and I'm about to take my Badescu Glycolic acid toner, and I heard that toners are good to incorporate in your skincare, so I started using this about a month ago. So I'm going to take this and basically put a little bit on the cotton pad, a lot of it on the cotton pad, and I'm going to tone these dark spots. Alright, so I'm going to let that dry. The next step, I'm going to use vitamin C serum from Badescu, the same line, and it says take 3 to 4 drops. So I'm going to just basically put this on my face in 4 sections, and I am going to put this on my skin. I'm going to take my Whitenicious dark spot remover. Y'all, this stuff is good. I didn't get any more of this stuff because it's like $90 something, and I'm like, dang, this little bitty jar for $90 something. So I got some again and I started back using it. I used to use this with my Kojic soap. This is one of the things that when I used the Kojic soap and I started adding stuff to it, this was another thing that I used to add to my Kojic soap, was the dark spot remover. So it used to be the dark spot remover, the scrub, and then this. And then I started to moisturize with it because I found out that, yeah, your skin does really get dry when you use the Kojic soap. So it's like this. It's like at first it wasn't like this when I got it the first time. When I first used this, very first started using this, it's like a watery consistency. So I'm just gonna put this on my skin. This stuff it burns, y'all. And then use this day and night. I didn't use this day and night, or sometimes I be slacking and don't be on my job when I'm supposed to use it day and night. But use this day and night, you're gonna see really fast results if you use this stuff day and night. Now I'm about to go in with my Skinscript. Skinscript is a really good line, I heard, especially for women of color. This is their moisturizer, acid berry moisturizer, and I just started using it. The other stuff in my line, I really didn't get jiggy with that, okay? But this moisturizer though, it made my skin glow. Basically, the last step that I do before I go to sleep, sometimes I put this on in the morning because this necessarily does not have to be used only at night. They say because it's a sleep collagen. This is from Allergenis. It's a sleep collagen, y'all, and it basically puts collagen back into my skin. Put this on. I really don't need that much, but when you sleep in this stuff and wake up, when you sleep in it and then you wake up, oh my god, your face, oh, it's so glowy. Last step that I use when I do my skincare routine, so I use this all the time, but I don't use it at night. I heard it's good to use SPF at night. Let me know what y'all think. Is it good to use SPF only in the morning, or should I use it at night as well? So this is from Skinscript 2. It's the SPF 30, and I'm not going to use it because I'm going to sleep, and I just feel like it's not going to be beneficial because I'm not in no sun. That is all my skincare stuff that I used in the year 2020. Some stuff that I got new, I started gradually adding to it. My skin is actually doing really good. I am proud of my skin. It was way better than this, but it isn't at its worst. So I'm actually really glad of that. But yeah, it looks good. It looks good. What y'all think? I'm gonna take some before and afters and I'm gonna put them on the screen. But I hope that y'all enjoy. Happy New Year's, y'all. I'm so excited for this new journey, y'all. Not new year, a new me. New year, a better me, y'all. Because basically 2021, we got to come with the heat. Like, we got to. So y'all, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.